Welcome to the fifth part of the Pharmaceutical Calculations, and in this short lectures I'll be talking about pediatric dose calculations. In general, pediatric dose can be calculated based on age, body weight, or body surface area. One of the easiest ways to calculate pediatric dose is based on the age, and in these calculations there are three rules that you can use: Young's rules, Dilling's rules, or Freud's rules. All of these rules based on the same principle, where they are taking the age of the children to be divided by the age of the adult and times with the dose of the adult. And what makes them different is their definitions of the age of the adult. Let's look at this example. Calculate the minimum and maximum daily dose for a children with the age of 2. If you are given the paracetamol dose for adult is 0.5 to 1 gram, 3 to 4 times a day. So by calculating using the rules, it is very straightforward and easy, and I believe that you won't have a problem in calculating. So you can see there is a variations in the dose, but they are more or less just within the same range. The other way to calculate pediatric dose is based on the body weight, and in this case we can use Clark's rules. So in Clark's rules, it's whether based on the body weight of pounds or kg. So for your information, 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds or equal to 60 ounces. So using the same example, but in this case, if the children weigh 23 kg, how is the maximum and minimum daily dose? So based on the Clark's rules, it is within about 500 to 1300 milligram. The pediatric dose calculations based on weight or size and the age may not be accurate, because most of the time children at the same age may have a different weight and the surface area of the baby. So some baby may look plump, but actually the size or the weight is smaller than a similar age baby. So in this case, body surface area or BSA is more accurate in calculating pediatric dose, provided that we are able to get the information about the body weight and the size in terms of the height of the baby. So to calculate, again we are taking the ratio of the children's body surface area to adult body surface area to be multiplied with the adult dose. For adult body surface area, in US it is defined as 1.73 meters square. However, in other countries it defines a little bit higher as 1.85 meters square. Body surface area of a children or baby can be calculated using these two formulas: Dubois formula or Mostella formula. So both of them require the measurement of weight and height of the children. Hereby I'm taking paracetamol as an example, and in this case we have an infant with 12 kg and a height of 88 cm. So by using Dubois and Dubois formula and Mostella formula, you can calculate the body surface area, and then using the ratio with adult body surface area, you will get the maximum and minimum children dose, and both of these formula give quite a similar dose. The pediatric dose calculation is much simpler, and the formulas will always be provided or easily found in the references. That's it for the discussions for this lecture, and thank you for your attention.